In this video, I'd like to talk about how to name angles. So if we had some angle, let me just draw out some random one, and we can label this. Let's say this has point X on it. The corner point right here is called Y, and we can call this Z. Then the name of this angle, you can start with either X or Z, but the important thing is that the middle letter is always the vertex. So that would be Y in this case. So we can call this angle XYZ. Or, like I said, if we really want, we could switch the order. We can call this angle ZYX. These both mean the same thing. But the key important part of this is that the corner point, which we call the vertex of our angle, this has to be the middle letter. So with that in mind, that is how you would name an angle. So we need to figure out what this purple angle is right here. And again, the key point is to recognize what the vertex is. So this point A is the vertex of the angle. That's essentially the corner of the angle. And we can either start at B, then go to A, and then to C, or we could do it in reverse. So if we want to actually label this, this could be angle BAC, or we could label it as angle CAB. So as long as the corner, the vertex, is the middle point or the middle letter, then that's how we would identify the angle. So let's do a couple more example problems just to get some more practice with this. And this one, we need to figure out what is angle EDC. So remember, the middle letter, that is the vertex. So that's the corner of our angle here. So here's point D, and that will be our corner. And notice there's actually one angle that corresponds to that vertex. But start at letter E, then go to letter D, and then go to letter C. So it looks to be this angle right here, and that is our green choice. So if you look at the Khan Academy exercises, this would actually be a multiple choice, and you could see this angle with the green coloring would be the correct answer. So let's do one more of these, and we need to figure out the name for the marked angle. So notice the letters involved for the angle, that it goes from E to A to D, where A, this is the vertex, the corner of our angle. And so we can either call this angle EAD, or we can start at D and call this angle DAE. So let's look at our answers, and you can see EAD is one of the choices. Now angle DAC, that goes from D to A to C, so that's this one right here. That is angle B, our choice B, we could say. And you can also label angles with a letter too. Like if we called this X, we can also label this as just angle X. So that works as well, but usually we use 3 letters. And angle BCA, so B to C to A, that angle is not even drawn. That would be this angle right there. That's choice letter C. And letter D, CAE, that is this big angle there. So that is choice letter D. But for this example problem, this first choice here, letter A, is the correct answer.